Hey, what's going on, guys? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today's video is about a case system. Now, I'm sure you've seen posts and tweets about this already because it's going crazy on Kickstarter. This is by Peak Design. Before I get too deep into the video, Rohan, I appreciate you watching my content, but hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification while you're at it. Thank you, Rohan. Now, if you don't know who Peak Design is, they make my favorite backpack, but they also have other accessories as well. Let me actually show you the backpack that I bought about 4 years ago. This is like what got them started. This is the backpack. I'm just a huge fan of it. I love how this thing clicks and you can expand it. I mean, this is a cool backpack. And I'm sure if you've watched tech channels, you see this backpack a lot. It's just really nice. And for what it's worth, they announced that their mobile products are 100% carbon neutral. So this company is saving the environment and not skimping out on giving you things like power bricks. But today's video is all about their new phone case system. This is called Mobile. Now, big thanks to Peak Design for sponsoring this video. I am a paying customer of Peak Design for so many years. So the way I feel about the company is not about the sponsorship. It's just about what I've been using over the past few years and my actual purchases. This is not just a case. It is actually a system with accessories that works with the case. So there's things like a car mount, a wallet, a tripod holder, a bike mount, a wall adapter, a generic adapter, and more. Now, what makes this all work is the Slim Link connection system, and it's using magnets to lock in that secure connection. So the actual case follows the same design scheme as the bag. It has this jean style, which I personally think it looks great. And for the functionality it has, it's a pretty thin case. It's only 2.4 millimeters thick. It has 360 surround drop protection, and the rubber sides, they have these buttons, and these buttons still give you that tactile feel that you want in a case. It doesn't feel mushy at all. The case does provide protection for the cameras too. The case does come up, so if it does drop, the cameras are not directly touching the surface. Now, as a father with a small child, having drop protection is very important, but majority of those cases are huge and bulky and the buttons are mushy, and I'm just not a fan of them. So I end up with kind of like a slimmer case, and I always get paranoid that when my son inevitably throws my phone that it's going to shatter. With this, with 360 protection, and you still have access to all the buttons, it's still slim. It's a win-win situation. Now, this one right here is probably my favorite one and one that I'm going to use often. This is the tripod. So you have this metal thing right here, right? Doesn't look like much, very non-assuming, but it is actually a tripod. And the way it works is that you pull this out, you flip this guy out. These are your tripod legs, right? And now it attaches right into the slot, right into the connector part on the back. Look at that. And now you have yourself a little tripod for your phone. Look at that. So imagine just doing a quick video, if you're doing like a TikTok video or whatever you may do. You know, for me, it's recording my golf swing that I do all too much. You simply put it right here and you can have access to the back camera or the front camera and just a quick little tripod. And then you can just fold it up, keep it on the back if you want, still slim enough to fit in your pocket, or you can just take it off and keep it moving. Very cool. This is the car mount. Very simple. It's using a 3M double-sided tape on the back, and what you do is you stick it to your dash or stick it to whatever. So my wife's infotainment system in her car is just not that great, but what we can do is we could just put this on the dash for her, and then on her case, you just simply do this and you're good to go. And this thing is rock solid. I mean, it's not moving, even if you're going over some pretty aggressive bumps and anything like that you'll run into on normal roads. Even Michigan roads are pretty crazy. This thing is not gonna jump at all and not gonna move, which is nice. This is universal mount. This is where you could put on pretty much anything else that you have. Even if you have like another phone, you could put this on the back of that phone or the back of that case, and then you still have access to the system by using this. So for example, that car mount right here, boom. And once again, it's on there. It's not moving at all. Next up is the wall mount. You know, the way I see someone using it, putting it in the kitchen, so if they want to watch a video while cooking or watch YouTube or going through instructions, you can do that. Also putting it in a work area, or maybe the way I look at it, my son has a playroom. We purposely do not put a TV in the playroom, but let's say we want to go ahead and throw a screen on the wall temporarily to put a show on there for a few moments so we can kind of get his attention. We can do it that way too. So there's so many different ways you can use the wall mount. So let's talk about some of the accessories that I have on my table and do a quick demo for you. So here's the very first item. It is an item that I will say that I'll use every day, but the problem is I don't work out every day as I would like to. But this is the phone holder for the bike mount. And what's cool about this is that it's not like a little normal clamp that may pop off. It actually goes all the way around and it uses a screw to go in there. There's also these inserts to ensure it's the correct size. So, and to take it off, it's the same thing. You can use the Allen key if you wish and you're good to go. This thing doesn't move. It is rock solid and yeah, it's something that I use every single time I'm on my bike. Anyways, guys, that was just my quick video, my quick demo showing you the mobile accessories from Peak Design. This whole system will be available on the iPhone 12 lineup, iPhone 11 Pro lineup, and Galaxy S20 lineup as well. It's available right now from my link below. It's going through its Kickstarter phase, but after that, it will be available in retail. But if you go through Kickstarter, you get a better price and different type of unlocks and different goals. So make sure you hit my link down below for the most updated pricing. Anyways, guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja, have yourself a great day. Rohan, I appreciate you, and take care.